What's up, guys? My name is Dr. Josh Jagoda. Today I'm going to talk about the sit to stand desk and how you can transition from seated to a standing desk and do so comfortably without increasing pain or discomfort on your body. Now, a sit to stand desk is exactly called that. It's called a sit to stand, so that this way you don't do too much standing or too much sitting at one given point in time. You're supposed to be able to first, one, transition from sitting to standing and have that dynamic movement between the both. You should be able to sit, you should be able to stand. You don't want to do too much of one or the other. So that's first. Second thing I should say, is you want to have comfortable shoes or footwear as well as the anti-fatigue mat. Just having a cushion underneath your feet for a period of time can just damper some of the impact, and you wouldn't really think it'd be much, but it's really important, and I would really recommend that because you'll notice a difference on your feet if you are having the anti-gravity or anti-fatigue mat underneath you. So that's a good tip right there. A lot of people just think that the sit to stand desk is going to help them, and it does, but if you don't add that anti-fatigue mat, it really it just makes it a lot better. So also, because we have our desk at this level, we can adjust our monitor a lot easier. So sometimes, like when you're sitting, you don't necessarily have that ability to adjust it because you have to adjust your chair. But here, we can just push the up button or down button. But you want to make sure that the tops of the computer is probably about eyebrow ridge, right around this area. So between this and this. And what you want to actually focus on is having about a 30-degree angle of your eyes going downward into the computer. So this is a little bit too low. I would want to have it just about here, maybe about that. And so my posture isn't like this. I'm kind of nice and standing up, and your ergonomic position is pretty good right here. And then you have everything on your desk, everything ready to go. Everything's at eye level. You have a comfortable shoe and as well as an anti-gravity mat. And finally, guys, the last thing that we have to talk about is, again, the time in the transition. You want to start slow. You don't want to just say, oh, I have a standing desk, so let's stand for 6 hours, 12 hours, 18 hours. That doesn't work, guys. Like, it's going to hurt you as well. Start with like 1 to 2 hours of standing. Maybe not all at once, but sit or stand, or sit and then stand for maybe 20 minutes, and then go back to sitting for about 10 minutes. And then try to add up to about 1 hour and then 2 hours. And usually if you get up to 4 hours, that should be where you max out. Guys, you have to remember, it's called a sit to stand desk, not a standing desk. Sit and stand, use the combination both, and use them wisely, and that's how you'll get the best benefit out of your sit to stand desk, so that you can stay seated, you could go standing, you can have that versatility at work. All right, guys, my name is Dr. Josh Jagoda. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys next time.